Welcome to this episode of Jay's Jeep and Classic Car Channel, the channel that provides video resources for your Jeep builds, your classic car build, and your everyday driver maintenance. So today we're going to look at some engines. So I went ahead, bit the bullet, and bought an engine. Actually, I got two engines. I got a really good deal, and so let's take a look at it. So first up, we have the extra block, and this is it. It's pretty bare bones. Been sitting for at least 15 years. Guy didn't really know the status of it. I took the spark plugs out of it earlier. And then there's the runner. Now this one is running. The guy pulled it out of his Jeep and did a swap for a Kubota diesel. And so basically he cleared out all his 6-volt and Kaiser L134 engine stuff on me, which is a good deal for me because I think I'm going to need it. Only issue at this point, besides the regular leaks, is when they pulled it out, they bent the distributor, so I'm going to have to pull that out and replace it. But besides that, it looks pretty good. I've seen a video of it running. He says it burns a little oil, but not bad. And so, yeah. And it came complete with a generator, voltage regulator. I have the starter. I have the bell housing, the flywheel. Unfortunately, the bell housing, flywheel, and the starter all for 3A. As you know, that'll probably work if you do it all in conjunction with your 3A. I'm not sure. I may pull off my 2A stuff and use my 2A flywheel, 2A bell housing, and 2A starter. It does have a broken bolt right here. We'll have to get that out. That one doesn't look awful. We'll see if we can't get that out easy. Yeah, it's missing a couple bolts here and there, or a couple nuts here and there that we'll have to get. I think it probably needs a oil pan gasket from the look of it. Looks pretty oily right there, but I mean that's often on these. And I may eventually need a head gasket. Looks like I got a little bit of leakage back there. Not exactly sure. So we're going to take a look at that. But besides that, not awful, given the age of it and the completeness of it. So if you notice, this is a Kaiser Supersonic, the same as mine. These were often replacement engines, and it should be a fairly straightforward deal. As a matter of fact, I believe this block is actually a Kaiser Supersonic block with the old Willys head on it. From the casting number, I believe that's what I read, but this one's going to need a lot more work. We're going to put this one kind of to the side, cover it up, maybe use some parts out of it. We'll see. Might part it out to sell. We'll just kind of see how it goes, or I might rebuild it and have it as backup. The plan is, after we install this one, take the other one that's currently in there out, rebuild it, get it in tip-top shape as a backup engine. And at that, I can also kind of explore what I think are a couple cracks a little more to really verify for sure what I need to do there. But pretty excited. Had to go up to Virginia Beach to get them, which was no short trip, but I had a buddy. Mad thanks to Wade for driving up there with me and helping me haul this all the way back down and into the backyard here. I'm going to clean these up, paint them up, get them all ready, nice and spiffy looking, and then install it. So I just kind of found something interesting here. Looks like somebody drilled a hole in this thing at some point. Not really familiar with that. We'll have to see how that works. I would think that would suck air, and that wouldn't be good, but I don't know. Maybe there was a reason for that. If you have an idea, let me know. Comments below. Guess I could always run tape over there and see what it does, but to me it would not let things pressurize right, but I'm not sure. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe and like button below. Leave any comments you might have or questions. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.